Namaskar. Today we will discuss about multiplexers. Multiplexers. So, first classroom, data processing circuits. So here the data processing circuit is a binary circuit or logical circuit. So దాంట్లో ఈ ప్రాసెసింగ్ సర్క్యూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అవి సో మల్టీప్లెక్సర్స్ డీమల్టీప్లెక్సర్స్ అండ్ డీకోడర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఎన్కోడర్స్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ఆర్ గేట్స్ సో ఇలాంటి ప్రాసెసింగ్ సర్క్యూట్స్ ఉన్నాయని లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం సో దెన్ వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ సో దాంట్లో ఒక రకమైన సర్క్యూట్ డేటా ప్రాసెసింగ్ సర్క్యూట్ multiplexers. So then we will discuss about the multiplexers. So here the multiplexers is a circuit. Okay. So here a multiplexer is a device which takes in multiple signals. Here a multiplexer a multiplexer is a device which takes multiple signals and output a single signal which takes in multiple signals and single output signal. Okay, so here simply a multiplexer is a device so it takes in multiple signals and it produces single output signal. Okay, so here this is known as here this is simply called as a multiplexer. So here it works as an electronic switch. So here a multiplexer works an electronic switch. Okay, so here it works an electronic switch. So in the multiplexer diagram, so we will see the multiple input signals and also single output signal. Okay, so here this is the multiplexer circuit. Okay, so here this is the multiplexer circuit which takes in multiple signals. Okay, so here this is A0 and this is simply called as A1, this is A2 and this is A3. Okay, so and it has single output signal. So here this is the single output signal. Okay, so it has multiple input signals. Here it is simply called as A, B, C and D and it has only single output signal. It is simply called as Q, like Q1. Okay, and it has so this is here, this is behind here, this is the select. Okay, so here a multiplexer is a device which takes in multiple signals and single output signal. So here a multiplexer is works as an electronic switch. Okay, so here this is the circuit diagram of multiplexer. So it has the multiple input signals and it produces and which takes in multiple input signals and which produces a single output signal. Okay, so mainly here there are several different types of multiplexers. Okay, so here there are several different types of multiplexer in the circle. So we talk about the following. So here the first one is time division multiplexers. So here there are different types of multiplexers. First one is time division multiplexer. Okay, time division multiplexer, and another one is statistical multiplexer. Okay, statistical multiplexer, and the other one is inverse multiplexer. Okay, inverse multiplexer and space division multiplexer. Space division multiplexer, and the another one is frequency division multiplexer. Okay, frequency division multiplexer and the wavelength division multiplexer. The wavelength division multiplexer. Okay, so here these are the several types of multiplexers. Okay, then we will discuss about the logical circuit of multiplexers. Okay, so here in electronics, a multiplexer or mux. So here this is simply called as mux. Or spelled something sometimes as multiplexer. So here in electronics, a multiplexer is also known as a data selector. Okay, a multiplexer is also known as a data selector. So here is a device. So a multiplexer is a device. So that selects between several analog or digital input signals and forwards the selected input to a single output line. Okay, so here the selection is directed by a separate set of digital inputs are known as a select lines. So here a multiplexer of 2 power n. Here a multiplexer of 2 power n inputs has n select lines. Here a multiplexer of 2 power n inputs has n select lines. Okay. So here which are used to select which input line to send to the output. So here this is the multiplexer. 2:1. 2:1 multiplexer. So it has two inputs has two inputs and one output and two select. So you simply call the E and S naught. Okay? E and S naught. So here okay. Okay, then we pick a two input multiplexer design. Okay, so here this is 2 to 1 line multiplexer. So then we can build a two input multiplexer design. Okay, so okay, so here this is 2 to 1 line multiplexer, two inputs, one and one output. Okay, this is selected A B. Okay, so here the Boolean expression of two to one line signal, so 2 to 1 line multiplexer. So that is the input to the output Q is equals to A bar I1 plus A I0. So here the truth table of 2 to 1 line multiplexer. So here this is A, this is I1, this is I0. This is output Q. Okay. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Yes, so here okay. So 0, 0, sorry 0, 0. So here this is the truth table of 2 to 1 line multiplexer. So here the Boolean expression of 2 to 1 line multiplexer is output Q is equals to A bar I naught bar A bar I1 bar, okay, plus A into I naught, A into I naught, okay. So the logic circuit of the 2 to 1 line multiplexer is, so here this is the AND gates, this is A, okay. So this this is another NAND gate and this is NAND gate. This is connected to output NAND gate. Okay, so here this is not, okay, and this is I1. So here the input or the output A is connected to I1. So here this is I0 and this is A. Okay, so here the truth table is considered as, and here this is connected to I0, I1. So here A bar and I1 bar. Okay, so here this is the logic circuit of 2 to 1 line multiplexer, and then we will discuss about, sorry, so here the input A, here the input A of this simple 2 to 1 line multiplexer constructed from standard NAND gates. Okay, so here constructed from, these are the NAND gates. Okay, so constructed from standard NAND gates, acts to control which input I0 or I1. Okay, so here gets passed to the output at Q. Okay, so from the truth table, so here from the truth table we can see that when the data select input A is low, okay, so logic 0, A is low, logic 0. So when the A is low, logic is 0, okay, and input I1 passes its data through the NAND gate multiplexer circuit to the output. Okay, so while input I0 is blocked, the input I0 is blocked. Okay, so here when the data select A is high, this is for low. When the data select A is high, that is 1. Okay, the reverse happens, and now input is I0 passes. So ఎప్పుడైతే A low అవుతుందో అది 0 అప్పుడు I1 పాస్ అవుతుంది. బట్ A high లాజిక్ అయితే 1 అవుతుంది, అది passes, I0 pass అవుతుంది. So this is for high. Okay, so here the input I0 passes data to the output Q. Okay, while the input I1 is blocked. Okay, so when the data logic is low, here A is 0 and the input passes, means the I1 input is passes. But when the data logic A is high, the I1 is blocked, the I0 is passed. Okay, so by the application of either a logic 0 or a logic 1, either a logic 0 or logic 1, at A we can select a appropriate input I0 or I1. Okay, so with the circuit acting bit like a single pole double throw switch. Okay, so as we only have one control line, then we can only switch 2 power 1 inputs. We can only switch 2 power 1 inputs, and in this simple example the 2 input multiplexer connects one of to 1 bit. Okay, one of to 1 bit. Okay, source to 1 bit source to a common output producing a 2 to 1 line multiplexer. Okay, so we can confirm this in the following Boolean expression. Q is equals to, here the output Q is equals to A bar I1 bar plus A into I0. Okay, so we can increase the number of data inputs to be selected further simply by the following same processor, and larger multiplexer circuits can be implemented using smaller 2 to 1 line multiplexers. So as the basic building blocks, so for a 4 input multiplexer we will therefore require 2 data select lines. It means 4 input represents 2 power 2. 4 input represents 2 power 2. So here the 2 power 2 data control lines give a circuit with 4 inputs, that is I0, I1, I2 and I3. So that is simply called as 4 inputs I0, I1 and I2 and I3. It has only one output. Okay, so and 2 data select lines, that is A and B. Okay, so we can draw the integrated circuit diagram of 4 to 1 line multiplexer. So here this is 4 to 1 line multiplexer. It has 4 inputs I0 and I1 and I2 and I3 has one output. Okay, and 2 data selectors. 2 data selectors, that is A and B. A and B. Okay, so here the truth table of 4 to 1 line multiplexer is, in the truth table of 4 to 1 line multiplexer, this is A and I0 and I1 and I2 and I3. So here the data select A and B, then the inputs I3, I2, I1 and I0. Okay. And this is output Q. Okay, so here is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 data selectors. Okay, so this is 1, here this is 1, I0 is 1, okay, or this 1, 1, 1. Okay, so here this is the truth table of 4 to 1 line multiplexer, and then you can see the Boolean expression for this 4 to 1 line multiplexer. So above with inputs I0 to I3 and the data select lines A, B is given by the output Q is equals to, okay, so the inputs I0, I1, I2, I3 and the data selectors A, B, and here the output Q is equals to AB bar I naught plus A bar B I1 plus A B bar I2 plus A B into I3. Okay, so here this is the Boolean expression for 4 to 1 line multiplexer, and then so here in this example, at any one instant in time only, one of the 4 analog switches is closed. The 4 analog switches is closed. Okay, so connecting only one of the input lines, that is I0 to I3, the single output at Q. The single output at Q as to which switch is closed depends upon the addressing input code on lines A and B. Okay, so for this example, to select input I1, to the select input I1, to the output at Q, here the binary input address would need to be a logic 1, and so here this A logic 1 and here this B logic is 0. Here this is for 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 input I2. Okay, so thus we can show the selection of the data through the multiplexer as a function of the data select bits as shown. Okay, so adding more control address lines will allow the multiplexer to control more inputs, as it can switch 2 power n inputs, but each control line configuration will connect only one input to the output. Okay, so here then the implementation of the Boolean expression above using the individual logic gates would require the use of 7 individual gates consisting of and or and not. Okay, and or not gates are as shown. Okay, so here the applications of mainly here the applications of the multiplexers is so communication system. So mainly here the main applications of the multiplexers is first one is communication system. Okay, so here a communication system has both a communication network and a transition system. Okay, so here this is the most important application of multiplexer, and another application of multiplexer is computer memory. Computer memory. Okay, and another application of multiplexer is television network. Television network. Okay, and the another application of multiplexer is transmission from the computer system of a satellite. from the computer system of a satellite. So here this is the one of the application of multiplexer, and the another application of the multiplexer is communication system. Communication system and arithmetic logic unit. Okay, arithmetic logic unit, and the another one is serial to parallel converter. Okay, serial to parallel converter. So here this is the one of the most important application of multiplexer, and the another one is photo credits. Photo credits. Okay, so here these are all the most important and main applications of the multiplexers. Okay, so here this is about the multiplexer or data selector, or simply called as, or simply named as MUX. Okay, so here this is about the multiplexers. Okay, thank you.